Is your bike's chain starting to make noise? I have about 10,000 miles on my chain. It's starting to get a little stiff, pretty dirty. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use kerosene, and we're going to talk about the difference between wax or chain lube. Wax on. When the weather gets nice, I like to ride. I ride a lot. I ride probably anywhere from 400 to 500 miles a week just because I commute. Each day my commute's about 100 miles. Typically every other day, so let's call it 200 miles, I'll come home and spray some of this. Not the real expensive stuff, kind of makes a mess, but recently I started hearing some noise. So we're going to clean the chain, lube it up, and I'm going to try some new stuff. The chain wax, see if this is any better. See if it keeps it quieter, maybe less of a mess. So let's take a listen to what it sounds like. I'm gonna pull the chain guard off, get a closer look, help me clean it. Here's some of the things I use to clean my chain. I got some brushes from Harbor Freight. Very important, you only use plastic. I got another brush here, a motorcycle chain brush, found at a motorcycle store. Go to Home Depot or Lowe's, buy some kerosene along with a spray bottle. I think it's some of the best solution to use to clean it off. And I also get a drip pan. This is an automotive drip pan. I'm gonna stick it underneath the bike. Help me from keep making a mess. Well, let's see how we did. I'd say pretty good. All right, all cleaned up. Let's see how it sounds now. A lot better, a lot smoother. Very nice. All right, let's put the wax on.
Thanks for watching.
Ride smells a little bit like kerosene.
Do this in a
well-ventilated area.
Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button.
I've got a
chain replacement video I did. See you next time.